In today's video, I will be solving a Rubik's Cube as fast as I can. Wait, I probably should have scrambled it before the video started, but yeah. Okay, cool. Now we have a scrambled Rubik's Cube, and I'll be solving it as fast as I can. So, got my timer or stopwatch. And my goal is under a minute and a half. So, let's get started. And go. Solved in a minute and 11, minute 10, give or take. Yeah. So now this is the time I have to beat next time I do one of these videos. Yeah. Rubik's Cubes are pretty fun once you know how to solve them. And yeah. Thanks for watching.